Alert is from the SCP Foundation, an organization dedicated to public safety. Do not turn off your device. Pay close attention to this message. You must clear your mind of any nearby locations, specific or general. This includes neighborhoods, streets, buildings, rooms, etc. A dangerous anomaly named SCP-4885 is in your area, and if you become aware of its physical location at any time, it will violently and anomalously attack you. The anomaly in question resembles the main character from the popular puzzle books Where's Wally, named Where's Waldo in the USA. However, it is paler and lacks eyes. An attack by this anomaly will consist of SCP-4885 appearing within the subject, who is aware of its location, and will reach up through the esophagus and grab the subject's chin. SCP-4885 will then climb up and out through the mouth of the subject, destroying their internal organs and spine in the process. This will obviously terminate the subject. If SCP-4885 is already close to someone who knows its location, it will approach them and climb through the mouth of the subject and exit through the pelvis, with similar destructive effects. A bright, colorful substance will then emerge from what remains of the subject's mouth and cover them in images resembling a Where's Waldo book. The corpse will then have the same qualities of SCP-4885, in that, if someone knows their location, SCP-4885 will translocate to them and terminate them, in turn creating another affected corpse. Do not look outside, do not travel at all, and try not to think of any specific locations nearby. The SCP Foundation is enacting a procedure to terminate or contain this anomaly. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.